Good morning, class. Now, as we discussed in the last class, example number 6 and 7. Now, we will discuss example 8 of exercise 11.2, chapter 11. That is perimeter and area. Exercise 11.2. Example 8 from the book. Example 8 from the book. And what is the example? In this example, there is a parallelogram. There is a parallelogram. In ABCD, and the measurement of the sides are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. And the height corresponding to the base CD. The height corresponding to the base CD. Let me correct the naming. The height corresponding to the base CD is 3 centimeter. So this height is of 3 centimeter. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find first the area of parallelogram. First, we have to find area of parallelogram, and the second one is the height corresponding to the base AD. We have to find this. We have to find this side. This height. Let it as let the height of let this height will be x. The height corresponding to base AD will be x. Let it x. So first area of parallelogram. The formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. If the base is 6 centimeter, so height corresponding to it is 3 centimeter, will be 18 centimeter square. 18 centimeter square. Area of parallelogram ABCD. If you want to specify it, you can write it as base as BC and height corresponding to it as AM. So 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter, that is 18 centimeter square. and this is of BN. BN. For second one, area of or first note it down till here. First note it down till here, then I will explain the next part. Okay. Now we will do the second part. The area of parallelogram ABCD if is equals to what? Base into height. If base is AD, now corresponding height is BN, and as we know that the area of parallelogram from first part is 18 centimeter square and base is of 4 centimeter given into BN. Here BN we let here x. So 18 upon 4 is equals to x. So 4.5 centimeter is x. We can write height corresponding to side AD is 4.5 centimeter. Now you can note it down. Okay, then now let me explain it again. So in this question we have two sides of a parallelogram. The measurement of the two sides are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and the height corresponding to 6 centimeter is 3 centimeter. From that we find the first part, that is area of parallelogram, and in the second part the height corresponding to side AD is not given. We have to find that one in the second part. So for the first part, that is area of parallelogram, we use a formula that is base into height. If the base is DC, then height is AM corresponding to it. So 6 into 3 is 18 centimeter square, and in both the conditions, the parallelogram ABCD is not changed. It is same. So the area of parallelogram ABCD is also same. So the area of parallelogram ABCD will be base into height. If the base is changed now, that is 4 centimeter, then the height corresponding to it is BN. So here we find BN, and here we let it as x. So 18, it comes from first part 18 centimeter square, the area of parallelogram ABCD. 18 is equals to 4 into x. When 4 goes to this side, it divides the 18 So 18 by 4 is equals to x, so x equals to 4.5 centimeter. So here height corresponding to side AD is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now we will do the next one, that is example number 9. What is that? There are the two triangles. So in first part there is a triangle. There is a triangle. Name it as PQR, and this triangle in this figure, this base is 4 centimeter and this height PS is of 2 centimeter. Now by this information we have to find the area of triangle PQR. One by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 base into height is the formula for area of triangle, as we discussed in the class already. What is the formula for area of triangle? So area of triangle PQR is 1 by 2 base is QR and corresponding height is PS. So here write all the values. QR is of 4 centimeter, PS is of 2 centimeter. So 4 centimeter square. Area of triangle PQR is of 4 centimeter square. So here it is given that the base of the triangle is 4 centimeter and the height is of 2 centimeter. From this information we find area of triangle PQR, that is 1 by 2 into base into height. Here the base is QR and the height is PS. Now we put all the values here, and here we find here area of triangle PQR is of 4 centimeter square. Now you can note it down. Okay, now we will do the second part of this question, this example. Second part. In this part, there is a triangle. LMN. MN is of 3 centimeter. And it is so, and the height of this triangle is 2 centimeter. So now as we know that area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. So area of triangle LMN is 1 by 2 basis of MN and into height is LO. So 1 by 2 into MN is 3 centimeter and LO is of 2 centimeter. So 2 is cancelled by this. Now 3 centimeter square. Area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 base into height. So area of triangle LMN is equals to 1 by 2 MN into LO. So MN is of 3 centimeter. So LO, that is perpendicular height, is of 2 centimeter. So 3 centimeter square is the final answer. That is area of triangle LMN. You can now note it down. Now we will do the next example. Example 10. In this question, the height of the triangle and the area of the triangle is given. We have to find its base. In this question, in triangle ABC, we have to find this part and this side AD is given. AD is given, that is of 3 centimeter. We have to find the base, that is BC. The area of triangle ABC is given, that is 36 centimeter square. As we know that area of triangle is 1 by 2 its base into height. So area of triangle ABC is 1 by 2. What is the base? That is BC and height is AD. And area is also given, that is 36. So 1 by 2. BC we have to find and AD is of 3 centimeter. So when numbers goes to LHS side, 36 is multiplied by 2 and divided by 3 is equals to BC. So 36 is cut down by 3 by 12 times. So 12 to the 24 centimeter. That is the base. Base BC is of 24 centimeter. Let me explain it again. The area of triangle ABC is given, that is 36 centimeter square, and area as we know that area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 base into height. So area of triangle ABC is of 1 by 2. What is the base? Base is BC and height is of AD. So area of triangle is given, that is 36. and 1 by 2 into BC. We have to find BC. Into height is 3. So when 3 goes to LHS side, it divides 36. So 36 divided by 3 gives 12, and 2 goes to this side, then it will be with my multiplication sign. 12 to the 24 centimeter, that is the base. So note it down. Okay class, now note down the homework. Exercise 11.2, third, fourth, fifth question. Now we will do the next we will do the remaining example in the next class. Okay, till then, thank you so much.